thought you said you weren't gonna study at the cabin.
We agreed I wouldn't study at the cabin.
Okay. Dude, watch it!
Happy New Year! It's really coming down.
When do you think the power will come back on?
Is this all the dry wood we have?
We're low on food, too. We need to stay awake.
Why?
Because when hypothermia sets in, if you fall asleep, you won't wake up. I know that Kit isn't the only one feeling a little off.
Briar is officially dead. What if it's the snow?
We ate it.
What are you doing?